Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going into a townhouse today and we got to snake out the basement drain that's been backing up. Let's see what we find. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a townhouse today and you can probably see drain's backing up in the basement. So we do have the water running, but we're going to be snaking it from this stack. We're going to be using the K60 with a 2-inch cutter, a 2.5-inch cutter, sorry. This is a 3-inch stack. So that's 15 feet so far. We're going to keep pushing until we hit the blockage if we can. Okay, so that's where we feel the blockage. That's probably 20 feet so far. I don't know if you can see that well enough. We'll see. Okay. So that was the blockage right there, 20 feet in. So I'm gonna go 45 just to make sure I get there and to make sure it's not gonna back up. We're gonna keep the water running and we'll see if we pull anything back. So that's 45 feet. No, I don't want you to flush that. It's going to come up there. Okay, yeah, we'll just keep this water running. And then once I put everything back together, we'll flush it a few times. water's still running. So I'm gonna get them to flush the toilet a few times while I wrap up, and we'll see if it backs up. Alright, you wanna flush the toilet a few times? Alright, then. Yeah, that's perfect. You can even run your kitchen sink as well if you want. As you guys can see, it's not backing up anymore. So, well, thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.